Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by connecting the iPhone and confirming trust. This gives Mac OS permission to see backups. Open Finder immediately after plugging in, then select your device from the sidebar under Locations. If prompted on the phone, tap Trust and enter your passcode. Once done, make sure Finder shows the device summary. That confirms you can manage backups. This step is necessary because Finder is the only integrated tool that lists and links to local backups on modern Mac OS. With the device selected, choose General and then Manage Backups to see the stored backups and their dates. You can right-click a backup to show in Finder. Once shown, Finder will open the backup folder where each backup is a UUID-named folder. If you prefer direct navigation, open Finder, press Shift-Command-G, and paste ~library/application support/mobile-sync/backup/ to jump straight there. Make sure to verify the timestamp inside the UUID folder to match the backup listed in. To finish, copy the correct UUID folder to an external drive if you need an offline copy. Do not modify files inside the folder. Back in Finder, use Manage Backups to archive or delete items to free space or tidy versions. If Finder shows no backups, make sure the cable is data capable, the phone was trusted, and you check the ~library/application support/mobile-sync/backup/path directly. If still missing, confirm the backup might be in iCloud rather than local and check iCloud settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.